In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use a Rossmax blood pressure monitor.
This is a Rossmax X1 blood pressure monitor.
We will show you how to properly set up this blood pressure monitor and take a blood pressure reading. Please don't skip over the video and watch it all the way through for a better understanding. After unboxing, you will find in the box an arm cuff, a guide booklet, and the BP monitor.
Remove the back flip and install the batteries correctly according to the plus and minus signs. Connect the tube of the inflation cuff to the monitor, as you can see in the video.
This is a port for the adapter if you want to use instead of batteries, and this is for the data cable.
Please pay attention to the directions on the inflation cuff before taking your blood pressure measurements. Always keep the cuff 2 centimeters above the elbow and position the tube in the middle of the arm, running to the palm. Also, make sure the arm and the cuff having a space of 2 fingers.
Set in a chair, relax and calm, take a rest at least 5 minutes, and wrap the inflation cuff around your left arm. Press this power button, and the monitor will start blood pressure measurement. Please do not talk while taking BP measurement, and also do not move your body or hand, because this can cause errors in BP readings.
Rossmax X1 BP monitor will give you readings in less than a minute. You will get results in systolic, diastolic, and heart rate. The systolic is 130, the diastolic is 85. The heart rate is 90.
These are the color indicators which will show you whether the BP is normal, elevated, or very hot.
That's all about the Rossmax X1 blood pressure monitor. If this is your first visit to our channel, please subscribe to The Pharmacist Online. Stay safe and healthy.